Tell me what's going on, my friend.
So he's having issues with the window switch. So the passenger side button rolls down the passenger side window. The back rolls down the back passenger side window. The driver's side back switch rolls up the front window, the driver's side.
Okay.
And the driver's side front switch isn't working at all.
Okay.
And I don't know if anybody's been into this or not before, but I took the switch out. It's missing the bottom cover, so I could see the whole, what is that? The whole, shit, I don't even know what the name of it is. The wiring board where the switches are soldered into the little board or whatever. There's no cover. I went and bought a new switch. This one's got a cover on the bottom of it, and then the plug plugs into the back, right? But this switch is doing the same thing. So obviously it's not in the switch. It's got to be in the wiring harness somewhere, I think.
Are you telling me that the master window switch has been replaced? Is that what you're saying?
I just bought a brand new one just now, and it's doing the same thing as the old switch.
Okay.
The back driver's side window switch is rolling up the front window.
So it's left rear. I'll be honest with you, I don't think I've ever heard of that happening.
It's kind of weird.
It's odd.
And I didn't know if maybe that they had messed with the wiring pins
Is
on
there
the
anything?
harness itself.
Is there anything aftermarket installed on the vehicle?
No, I don't see anything.
No remote starts, alarm systems, anything
No.
hooked up to the power windows that you know of?
No, nothing
Okay.
in there.
All right. I suppose you could try to unplug that left rear window switch, and I'm sure if there's nothing else connected to it, the problem should go away. But somehow or another, there's power. There's a signal being sent from the left rear switch to the left front.
That's what it's doing. So you're saying maybe unplug this black back window switch and see if that does something?
Well, you can try it, but I don't even know how that would. I'm just trying to figure this out here. I think you got another bad master window switch, provided there's no really oddball complex wiring issue causing this problem.
Let me try this real quick. I just took that switch out. I plug this one back in.
Okay. Because according to the wiring diagram, the only thing that's
weird.
connecting the two windows are the master window switch.
So I just unplugged the back passenger or the back driver's side window switch, and on the master switch up front, the back, it's still rolling up the front window with the driver's side.
So you unplugged the left rear window switch, right? You unplugged the connector. And then now which switch rolls up which window?
Well, so the main switch for the driver's side front isn't working at all, and the one directly behind that, which would roll up and down the back driver's side, is rolling up the front window.
Where'd you get the
Rolling it
switch
down.
from?
I got it at O'Reilly's. But the old switch that was in it was doing the same thing.
Right, now I hear you. That's certainly odd, that's for sure.
Oh, you know what? Well, there is a pin broke on this old switch.
Oh, really?
Because the cover isn't on there, and I can see that it's not attached to the electric board.
How come? You could just replace it under warranty and see if that does the trick.
Well, we'll give that a try and go from there.
Sounds good luck.
All right, thanks, man.
You're welcome. Bye.